Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. It is a little dark and cloudy out. Arkansas's weather has been crazy, but we did get our Boxycharm today. Mine had a rough ride here, as you can see, but it is here. Just so you know, my Boxy Premium came in too. I will be recording this next. But we are going to do the base box of Boxycharm for April 2020. Now this is a $25 box. You get it every month. It has 5 full-size products in it. I will let you know that I did open this box. I do have some of the products on. If you get Boxycharm, you know that we have not been getting our cards. So to save myself the embarrassment of sitting here and unboxing things that I can't tell you nothing about, I went ahead and opened it, which I'm glad I did because we do not have a card. But when you open it, it is red always. It has your foam inside, and usually your card is on top. Yet right now it is the makeup eraser, and then your products are inside. So let's go ahead and go over those. The coupon is Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever from Makeup Eraser. If you don't own one of these, I would suggest getting one. This is what a full-size one looks like. They are very soft, very durable. The soft side that erases is this side, and then the exfoliating part is the opposite side, or the side with the tag on it. These run for 20 bucks. They're antibacterial, they're reusable, they last 3 to 5 years, and they say that we use 1.3 billion wipes every day, and a makeup wipe does not break down for 100 years. So if that's something you're into, there is earn 20% off your purchase on makeuperaser.com. Use code BOXY20. So there's that. Alright, so let's get in this box and see what we got. So the theme for this month is festival vibes. There are no festivals going on. We're doing good, just the vibe sometimes. So I don't get the festival vibes. I'm sure it was for Coachella, which is usually at this time of year, but we're not having any festivals. So we're going to start with the first thing, and it is what I picked. It was my choice pick. I picked the Zueva palette. I got the taupe Zueva palette. This is 10 shades of taupe for classic or glamorous makeup looks. And there's a multitude of sophisticated, elegant hues. This runs for $28. It is what I do have on my eyes today. When I opened this palette, it was not something I was down with. It's not my cup of tea. There is no mirror, and there are those shades. As you can see, they are very neutral, soft tones. Although, like I said, I'm not mad at the look that I came up with today. It's just not something that I would normally gravitate to. There is a color in here called Spun Pearl that is very pretty. It's like a duo shift green, silver highlight color. Anyway, this is what I picked for this month. Being a Boxycharm receiver and addicted to eyeshadow palettes, since they have started doing choice, this is the second time I've been disappointed by my choice. I should have chose the Elemis, anything other than this. But Samantha will get some use out of it, so it's not like it's gonna go to waste, or it will get decluttered eventually. So The next thing we have is by Benefit. This is the Professional Pore Primer. They say that this minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. It's silky, lightweight balm, translucent, oil-free formula, complements all skin tones, contains vitamin E derivative, known to protect skin from free radicals. I don't know what all of that means, but I already have this. I bought this when I first started my channel. Everybody raved about it. I did use it today under my makeup just to make sure that I am not a lover of this. It's not one of my favorite primers ever. I believe this is the original one. It's just not something that I like. I've had this for a while, and I think this is maybe the 4th time I've used it. If you can see the peeling on my nose where my foundation has separated, you can see my pores are not filled. So it's not my favorite. Okay. It's not my favorite primer. But this retails for $32. And you do get quite a bit. It is 22 milliliters or 0.75 US fluid ounces. So not something that I knew it was coming. It was in everybody's box, just something I don't like. The next thing I have, and they say that this is the #1 best-selling prestige face primer in the US. So lots of people rave about it. I think that they have a new hydrating one. Maybe that one would be better, but I'm not a fan of this one. The next thing we got was the iconic London Illuminator. It does come in a glass container. This is $41. It's a beautiful high gloss look. Concentrated liquid shimmer. You can add it to foundation, primer, moisturizer, or you can just wear it on its own. I did use a little bit of this today, right here. It does dry fast, and it looks like liquid metal. But you don't have very much time to play with this. It, as you can see, dries very, very fast. But in the summer, it will be nice. It doesn't have a scent, but it does leave a beautiful little glow to your skin. So I wasn't mad about it. I don't use a whole lot of liquid highlighters, just for the fact of when you stick them, that's where they're at, unless you can absolutely blend them out, and 90% of the time it doesn't end up the way you want it. So the next thing we got was the Baddington lashes with mini glue. This is how they came, the little glue, which I did not use, and then lashes, which I am wearing right now. These were a pain in the butt to put on. The band is weird. I know that it's a, what was it? Handcrafted cotton band, but the band on these is weird. And if I frown, I can touch my eyebrows with them, so it's not something I like. This is in the style Harlow. They are 3D silk lashes with mini lash glue. Bleh. Provides length and dramatic volume, which I would say that they're just not something that I would wear on a daily. Handcrafted cotton band. The lashes mimic the growth structure of your lashes for the ultimate and natural glamour, and they're multi-use. And they're $31 if I didn't say that. Also, as you can tell, I've done taking these lashes off. I did want to put this in here for y'all. I'm going to stand up and show y'all so you can actually see. I had a heck of a time figuring out which one was left and which one was right. Not to mention they are pretty much cut the same way. There's just a few hairs on the top. I need something behind there. As you can see, there's like a line of hairs and then a couple of fray hairs, and there's nowhere to really tell you which goes where. It's all the same. But I just wanted to put that in there if you got these, just to be aware. Not my favorite lashes, but they do the trick if you're needing lashes in a pinch. And then the last thing I received in my box was the Lavish 5-piece neon brush collection for $29.99. This is an all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection. I do like the colors, the neon spring fun colors I do appreciate. These are what they look like outside of the baggie. So you have a pencil brush, you have an eye shading brush, you have a brow grooming brush with the small end and the spoolie on the other. You have a fine liner brush, which this thing is got a fine point. And then you have a tapered blending brush. I did not use these when I was getting ready for the simple fact that I just finally went out and got the 5-piece motor brush set and didn't even think about using those. So I do enjoy the colors. They are different than the ones that I just purchased. And I'm addicted to brushes, so I will definitely be using them. But that was what we got in our box. We got the brushes, the palette, the eyelashes, the primer, and more fingers, and then the illuminator. So that was our 5 products. I will give this a try. I won't use this. This, if I ever have to go somewhere where I can't have pop or va-va voom, I might reach for this again. These lashes are going to go off as soon as I get done with this video. And then the brushes are brushes that you can't go wrong with. So our box in total was $161.99. I don't know the variation because I didn't receive a card. If and when I do find out that information, I will get back to you. But that was our box. Comment down below. Let me know if we are box twins. Did we get anything the same? Did you like your box? Give it a rating scale. For me, I got a 2 out of 5. That was what I would put on my box. It's not my favorite box ever, but we will be doing this again next month just because it's boxy. And do stick around for Boxy Premium. It is coming. So thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Please do stay safe. Watch out for the weather. It's being crazy depending on where you live from me. And that's it, guys. Until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Since Makeup Eraser was to be featured in this month's box, I'm going to show y'all exactly how to work one if you don't have one. So, if you remember the little insert, the part with the tag is the exfoliating part. And this is the erase part. You do get this wet. I am going to go ahead and take my makeup off so that y'all can see how it works. One side I'm going to use my makeup eraser. And then for the other side I'm going to use the Pharmacy Green Clean. So you can see for yourself how well the makeup eraser works. So I'm going to take some of the Green Clean and I'm just going to run it down half of my face. This Green Clean is amazing. It just breaks up all of your makeup, makes it so easy to take off. Even Jeffree Star eyeshadows, there is no problem for it. Can you see the makeup coming off? Okay. So as you can see, it is pulling all of my makeup off. But if you've used this product, you already know that it works. So we are going to take our makeup eraser. I'm going to take it on the erase side, which is without the tag. And we're going to see if it does the same thing. Please do keep in mind, I do have lash glue all over my lashes. So if it doesn't take that off, I do forgive it. I'm going to wipe off my neck with this just because it's easier. But all your makeup is now on your makeup eraser. Then you can go in with the tag side, which is the exfoliating side, and go in and get anything that did not come out or did not come off or that you're worried about on your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this other side because I look crazy. But I hadn't seen anybody give y'all a demonstration of using the makeup eraser that was featured in Boxycharm boxes this month. I did not receive one from Boxy this month, but as you can see, I have in the past. Although I'm wanting to say I got mine in a FabFitFun box. And it takes your mascara off. It takes everything. Waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup. It's a good thing to have, and it saves on makeup wipes. Now I know as well as you do that we are people of convenience. So actually using this and washing it, I mean, everybody has a washer. Doesn't take but a few minutes. Do you use it all the time? Probably not. Is it nice to have? Absolutely. And traveling, it's great. So that was my demonstration. As you can see, it did take off 99% of my makeup with only a few swipes and wipes. So that is how the makeup eraser performs. They are $20. This code gives you 20% off. It was Boxy 20. So if you don't have one, go get yourself one and try it out.